What's up? Yours truly, Michael Ferrera, back with another short segment in Style Your Life. And in this episode, we're going to be talking about the importance of the pocket square and why you should use it right now. And I can assure you, it's not only because of magic. Well, it kind of is, but I'll show you right now. Well, the purpose as to why you should be wearing a pocket square on a regular basis is not only that it enhances the image, but it does three things. One, it could dress your outfit up even more. You could also dress your outfit a little down and still be professional. And then number three, it adds a little bit of personality in style and charisma in your image and presentation when you're meeting someone else. So let me show you the first look right now. For example, when I'm just wearing a shirt and no tie, no pocket square, well, the pocket square can really just enhance it. Just a quick little pop of color just adds a little bit of touch and flair. If I see here, again, brings it, elevates it a little bit. Even if I use another color, again, the pop of orange just adds a little bit more flair, personality. The list goes on. A complement of a white and a blue on your white and blue suit, again, adds a little bit of style and flavor and enhancement to a simple image. What would look just like this, a little bit boring, can actually just easily be enhanced with a pop of color, a touch of color, etc. And it's really just that simple, just adding a little bit of pop of color and flair just by using the pocket square. Even when I dress it up and I'm doing a full three-piece suit or even a tie and adding the pocket square, it elevates the look even higher. Most people will just wear a tie, no pocket square. Just wear a shirt, no pocket square. When you add the tie and you're going into a business meeting and you add the pocket square, it just elevates the look even more and takes you to a higher level. Just use it. Even when your tie is crooked, like in this situation, you can still show some personality with the color and pop in your pocket square. When you're switching it out and you're actually going to change your look from really high elevated shirt tie and going down to just wearing a t-shirt with white sneakers or some cool sneakers, elevating the look and being professional with a pocket square just enhances it as well. And the list just goes on. You can use reds and purples and greens and any other different color. So I challenge you and I encourage you, use this pocket square. What's your favorite color pocket square? Please comment below. Let me know what you're doing and what you're using right now. And I encourage you to use the pocket square trick. It absolutely works. So that's really it. I'll show you one more look just so you can continue to see the color. But please like, please comment, and please subscribe on this video. I truly appreciate it. It truly lets me know that I'm bringing value to you so we can continue to bring more content. Stay on top. Remember, style your life. You can have every single thing in life that you want as long as you truly believe it. We'll see you soon. Peace.